The challenge for many kitchen appliance brands is targeting consumers when they are in market for a new appliance. While paid search offers some solutions, reaching these high-intent buyers at scale through video, display, or native advertising targets consumers at every stage of the buyer's journey. As part of our kitchen appliance targeting, we've developed a range of product categories like air fryers, blenders, slow cookers, rice cookers, and even sous vide devices. These off-the-shelf targeting segments are designed to place your ads in front of consumers actively engaging with related content. As an example, say you're advertising an espresso machine and want your ad to appear where it matters most, alongside content like coffee recipes, brewing tips, espresso machine reviews, or even pages featuring discount codes for espresso machines. That's where your most likely buyers are, solving the challenge of reaching them effectively. Our kitchen appliance targeting is built at the URL level, ensuring your ads appear alongside content directly aligned with your product. And it's not limited to just food websites. We achieve scale by serving ads across news, lifestyle, health, and even travel websites where relevant content frequently appears. This approach maximizes reach while maintaining relevance, aligning your brand with content that resonates with shoppers' interests. For programmatic buyers, our segments integrate seamlessly into all major DSPs, making activation easy and efficient. And for brands, we offer custom solutions that ensure your message connects with the right audience. Whether you're advertising in mixer, sandwich press, or ice cream machine, Gourmet Ads can help you reach in-market customers. So, let's explore how our kitchen appliance targeting options can help you connect with home cooks and kitchen enthusiasts when it matters most.